subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone called OnePlus Z. And earlier, we saw the leak renders of the phone, and now the key specifications of the upcoming phone has surfaced online. According to leaks and rumors, the OnePlus Z will support 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a hole punch at the top center that will house 16-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone will feature triple camera setup including LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The AAA cameras will include 64-megapixel main camera accompanied by 16-megapixel secondary and 2-megapixel third camera. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with 6, 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. As per the software, the handset will run on latest Android 10 based on Oxygen OS 10 skin on top, and it is expected to pack with 4300 mAh battery that will support 30 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone is also expected to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. The OnePlus Z is reported to launch on July 10th in India, and it is expected to price around 24,990 Indian rupees. So, as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus Z smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.